How to turn off reverse beep in a Toyota Prius. The engine of the Toyota Prius turns off when you stop, so it's easy to forget that it will move when you press the accelerator. As a safety measure, Toyota installed a loud beep in the interior when the car is in reverse. Some people find this annoying. Luckily, it can be disabled in a number of ways. Different methods will work for different model years of the Prius, but you may need to try multiple methods to find one that works for you. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to turn off reverse beep in a Toyota Prius. Things you should know. Start the car, then press the trip button until OBD2 shows and turn the car off. Start the car again and press and hold the trip button for 10 seconds. Then step on the brake and shift into reverse. Finish by shifting back into park. Disabling the reserve alarm in a Generation 2 Prius 1, start the car. Prius cars made from 2004 to 2009 called Generation 2 have a combination of in-car commands you can utilize to disable the reverse beeping, but the vehicle must be started in order to do so. Start a Toyota Prius by inserting the key into the ignition. Unlike a normal vehicle, you will not need to turn the key. Instead, press your foot firmly on the brake and hit the start button to the driver's right. The Prius is extremely quiet, so pay attention to the instrumentation to know if it is running. Some newer model cars will not require that you insert the key as long as it's in the vehicle. 2. Press the trip button until OBD2 shows, then turn the car off. On the right side of the steering wheel, there are a number of buttons you can use to control the settings and display of the dashboard. Press the button labeled Trip until the letters OBD2 appear on the display. On some models of Prius, the button may be next to the odometer on the dashboard itself. In later generation models of the Prius, this function will not display OBD2 and this method will not work. You may need to press the button more than once to make it display the letters OBD2. 3. Start the car again. Wait a second, then restart the car in the same manner as before. Turning the vehicle off and then on again is an important part of the series of commands that indicates to the computer that you wish to turn the backup alarm off. Be sure the engine is off before attempting to start it again. 4. Press and hold the trip button for 10 seconds. With the vehicle running once again, hold down the same trip button for a full 10 seconds or longer. The display may change to reflect that you have held the button down on some cars, but it may not always. Count to 10 to yourself before letting go of the button. If the display changes, you can let go. 5. Step on the brake and shift into reverse. Shift the vehicle into reverse by pulling the shift lever backward out of park. Remember to keep your foot planted firmly on the brake while shifting out of park to prevent the car from moving. The reverse beep may still sound at this point. 6. Shift back into park. After you feel the transmission shift into reverse, press forward again on the shift lever to put the vehicle back into park. This is the final step in the sequence to change the reverse beep settings in the car's computer. Turn the car off again. The next time you start the car, the reverse beeping will be disabled. 7. Re-engage the reverse beep. If you decide that you would like to turn the reverse beep back on in your Prius, you will need to repeat the process again in the exact same manner. Going through the steps each time serves to engage or disengage the reverse alarm, so completing each of these steps in the same order will reactivate that alarm. If you have difficulty repeating the process, take the vehicle to your local Toyota dealership and they can reactivate the reverse alarm for you. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive tips and tricks. Leave your comments below and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe.